Hi traders, I've just sent this Binance trade into my Telegram group. I'm going to close 70% now while we're ahead, and I'm just going to show you something. 70%, well, I'm closing 7 out of 10 units, 70%. Let me just have a look, and I'm going to show you how I came across this. So we've taken $51 off. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pull my stop loss up to around about $50, $20 there, see that? So I'm just going to go under this pin bar, $32. If this stop loss gets taken out, I'm ahead $20, roughly, okay? So this is a winning trade. Now we're in the money. I'm going to show you how I came across the opportunity and which opportunities we want to take, which ones not to take. And I mean, this video is about how to build your account. We started with 10,000 and we're getting some pretty nice results. If this interests you, highly recommend you watch my video. I've just posted this into my Telegram group. I just want to go there quickly and show you what that's about. So that was the trade set up. Buy, take your money and run. So this was closed 70% now in real time. Guys, have a look back. This is exceptional value, and look at the results we get. Daily market reports, trade alerts in real time. I think this is one of the best, if not, I won't say anymore. So how do we do this? Well, we're basically looking for these signals here. And the best signals are going to be where we see green preceded by green. So this is a break into the shaded zone here. It's followed by a break out of the shaded zone, so we take that. That's our trade on the pullback. Stop loss under our green dots, and that was a trade there. Now we're looking for, look, we're really getting about a 90% win rate with this. Okay, so 9 out of 10. Let's just call it 8 out of 10. We want 8 out of 10. I mean, and that's exceptionally high. You're going to have a couple of losers in there somewhere. If you can achieve 50%, 5 out of 10 win rate with this, you make money basically. Anything above that is an absolute bonus. So here's where it gets really interesting. Clear the decks here and I'll go back out from here. And we'll go into, say, a 5-minute chart. Let's go back in time here. We'll open that up. And we'll just have a look at this. Look at this signal, by the way. Look at that. That's the one you want. Oh, I mean, seriously? I mean, look at this. So, you know, we do want our 80% result with this. If a stop loss gets hit, the winners blow those losses completely out of the water. So, I mean, the thing with this is I'm always looking to take 70% early, and that's what I put into the Telegram channel there. Oh no, let's just start here. So what we're looking for is, in this case, red preceded by red. That's our trade on the pullback into the mean. We have one. I mean, that's wild. Let's just scrunch it up. The thing is with this, like, if this is worth, so we take our profit 70% early, let's just say we take 70% off here, and that's worth $100 on your account, just for sake of this exercise. Seriously, what's this worth? Now, these are the kind of trades we want. This is running now, and we have an opportunity, possibly, for one of these. Now, it doesn't always happen, of course, but if we take these trades and we're consistent with it, we're going to get them. So let's just go forward and count these up. So we don't take this one. It's not preceded by green. There's nothing. And we don't take that one because it's not preceded by red. So where you see green and red, it's just a ranging market. There's a trade there. Green, green. That's our setup. And again, you know, like I'm expecting an 80% win rate here. We're going to look to take 70% early. So what we do is we come in on the pullback. There's the pullback here. We look to take 70%. That's why we do that. 70% early, and then we leave 30% in. That 30%, if that gets taken out, it'll cancel this out to break even or slightly better. So that's how we kind of work that out, or you work that out on your account, so that's the outcome. Okay, so profitable. There's 2, and then there was 1 back there. I mean, we can see if these are profitable or not. Okay, there's your pullback. There's your second signal. There's a pullback into the mean. And again, this is why we take 70%. Now, what we're doing is we're looking for 70% at 1 times the average true range, 1 times the ATR. We have on our indicator down here the average true range value. So whatever that value is, we measure and we take our profits at the average true range at the ATR. And I'll do more videos on that. So we don't worry about these break-even trades when we have the opportunity, like this one over here, for example, and the one I just showed you. All right, so this one here, no go, no go, no go. Why? Because this one preceded by that, preceded by that. We need 2 of the same color. That's our trade. This one kind of got away on us. If you chase it, you risk the pullback. You don't want to be chasing price, and you risk the pullback. If you want to take the risk, then get in on the signal, but know that, you know, we could be looking at a pullback. I guess it's up to you. In this case, that would have worked out really well. Here's a short right here. We've got the 2 signals, pull back to the mean short. Again, this is why I'm taking 70% early. There's your entry, there's your 70%, you're in the money. Because it's these opportunities here that I'm waiting on. There's your trade, there's your break into the shaded zone, there's your break out of the zone, and there's your pull back to the mean. Well, this is interesting. Where was your stop loss here? And I'm generally going just beyond these dots. You may or may not have come out of that one unscathed. If you did, that would have been the outcome. I'm always going in. Go back in the video and go back to my Telegram, and you'll know that the stop loss was pretty wide to start with, just to give it a bit of breathing space. I'm always going to go by the second dots here. We would have missed that one because we had that nice outcome, but no go. There's a trade. We've got the setup, we've got the pullback. I will generally go with the first pullback if I start seeing it roll over. Then it did trade into the mean here. Okay, there's your short. So this is where any of these smaller losses, look at the outcome here. Well and truly ahead in a big way. It's ridiculous. Here's a trade right here. I guess you get the picture. There it is. There's the pullback. We're in. And away we go. It's pretty volatile, this thing. Look at it. These were earlier on. That would have been the signal. Anyway, click on the links below the video in the description, guys. Check out my other videos. Real-time trade alerts, market reports, absolutely awesome value. My website, the pricing page. Look at that. Seriously? It's this cheap because I'm promoting my package here. And I've only got 600 or so subscribers in my YouTube channel. This is at baby stages right now, guys. But anyway, gain access to this. That applies. Give it a shot for 7 days and see what this can do for you. Give me a thumbs up and help my YouTube channel to grow, guys. That would be amazing. So with that, hope you have a great day. Look forward to seeing you in Telegram.